Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It is A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.
Yesterday, I marked with Ann all the lines for the sewer lines and the water lines that would have to be dug. And today, that's what I did. And everything went as expected, nice and smooth.
Here you see an image from our drone of the lines that we drew the day before. And you see Dean digging up by hand the lines for the septic pipe that we're going to be installing. You'll see he switched over to the Kubota because as the depth goes down, it becomes harder to dig. So the Kubota was the easier route to take to dig out the trench. And you'll see us putting in the septic pipe, which is 4 inches, heading to the septic tank, which has a 1/4 of an inch slope, so for drainage purposes. Thank you for watching.